And so this is for us.
Yeah. Open.
Do you have an opener?
Yeah, I don't.
You don't have,
Hey, what's up everybody? As you can see, my bags are all set. I think I have like 20 minutes. I'm going to get some time to relax. Hi, what's up everybody? Today I'm in Kigali Rwanda and with Crispin.
Yes.
Okay, we are going to be cooking. Okay?
Yes.
So join me as we cook our meal.
To cook, okay, we're gonna cook ugali.
Ugali?
With meat.
Okay. We are going to be cooking ugali with meat. But as for now, I want to open my saucepan. I don't want you guys to cook before it's ready. Alright? So where are we going to buy meat?
Meat. Yeah. Meat.
So like primus, skull, and what this is what malt what?
Skull malt and missing, small missing.
But amazing.
Yeah,
amazing also is popular.
Yeah, it's popular.
Amazing.
Yeah. But Primus is a beer of independence in Congo. When we remember independence, we take Primus.
Primus.
Yeah.
Why like that? Like why Primus?
Why Primus? Because from 1960. There, when we got our independence, the beer was there.
So
it's still
after
there.
independence, they celebrated with Primus.
Yeah.
Now memory keep coming with
Yeah.
Primus.
Okay.
Okay. What is doing it? Me and Crispin, we are going to be cooking this. In my language, we call it kaunga. He's calling it ugali. By the way, Crispin is from Congo.
Yeah.
So, a Ugandan girl meeting a Congolese
Yes.
in Kigali Rwanda.
And in Congo, we call it also ugali fufu in French.
Fufu?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go cook fufu.
Yeah, fufu.
Don't mind our kitchen here.
This water was hot.
No, it was ready and then I switched it. You know how to cook it?
Yeah, I know.
You know?
When I was newcomer here, I called a girl from Rwanda who would teach me.
You called somebody to teach you?
Yeah.
So you didn't know how to cook it?
Actually, I'm excellent.
Now you're excellent. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think this is too much.
Yeah. This is what I was also saying. But this one.
Okay.
Is that how you also cook it?
Yeah.
Or you do it in another style?
Another style. Like.
Hey.
See. You're gonna add water.
Yeah. Our ugali is almost ready. Crispin,
Yes.
for how long do you take and you'll be like, now it's ready?
For how long?
When you're mingling this.
It takes like 10 minutes.
But are you sure in 10
but
minutes?
I see the good way. The way you did. Yeah, to when you begin to prepare ugali.
So I need to give you a lesson, eh?
Yeah, your lesson is good.
Fix it. Like now, come and see. You see now? It's almost ready, but you can't see the fly on it.
Okay.
So that's why I started like making it raw.
Your lesson is good. Your way to do is good.
My way to do is good, eh?
Yeah, it's very good. I like.
Okay, it's almost ready now.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Now,
you know,
how do you know it is ready?
when it's ready,
Mm.
like when you're doing like this, it like now it's ready. You see, it comes out.
It comes out from the saucepan
Yeah, yeah,
and doesn't stick.
yeah. But you know,
But Crispin cooks for 10 minutes. Do you think he has been eating it when it is ready? 10 minutes, Crispin. You have been eating it unready, not
Yeah,
ready.
because baby, she's girl.
Yeah.
Me, I'm a boy.
You have no time.
but the kitchen is made for ladies.
Yeah,
So
yeah, for ladies.
don't blame Crispin.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have our stew here.
Stew?
Yeah. Mhm.
Memories. Looks delicious.
Oh, can I bring a plate?
We put on your plate.
Yeah, I don't know what you
Okay, let's put here. It's fine. Akagari kamashashi.
Kagari ka Ruhango. Ruhango is good.
It's
Ruhanga is good.
Ruhanga. Ruhango means
Wow,
what?
I don't know what it means. I know only Gisozi.
Gisozi.
Gisozi
It's mountain.
It's mountain. It's
Mm.
the same in Uganda.
Yeah, in
in
Uganda we call it Rusozi.
Lusozi.
So it's easy to know. Gisozi means mountain.
Okay.
So,
How do you call Rusozi in Lingala? Do you speak Lingala?
Linga, yeah, I speak.
How do you call?
Gisozi. Kilima.
Okay, Crispin, what does the word Dombolo ya solo mean?
Ndombolo ya solo.
Eh,
Me too. I heard it in a song, but I don't know very the meaning. How what is mean?
put it here, but God. Oh. Yeah. You know when we used to be young, you see this saucepan, the way it looks like? We used to be like, the saucepan is mine. Like, we used to eat this. You see this?
You eat that?
Yes. And it used to be sweet. Preparing stew. It's already prepared, but it wasn't warm, so I'm warming it. It's prepared by Crispin.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this one he didn't wait for me. Crispin, what did you put here? Did you put chili?
Yeah, chili.
Hi.
Chili. No, I don't.
You did?
I did not.
Okay.
You don't like?
No.
Okay. It's good.
So we should welcome our people. They come and eat food. Because now it's ready.
Okay.
Should I welcome or you welcome them? Tell them they are welcome to our lunch.
My friends.
Hey.
Osman.
No, our friends there on camera.
Tell them to come to eat our food.
You can welcome them in
no.
your language.
Okay.
So, Crispin,
Like
you
as for
speak
me-
Lingala, you speak French, you speak Chinyarwanda, you speak English.
Okay. Like in Kinyarwanda, you can say, Yakatolia Bilea Bino.
Okay.
Yeah, can they
What
have
about
been-
in Congolese language? How can you say come we eat?
In Congolese, Lingala is a Congolese language.
Yes, yes. How do you say in Lingala?
Yakatolia Bilea Bino.
Okay, in my
It's like
language.
the same.
Yeah, it's the same.
Like, how did you say
in
in
Kiswahili.
Rwandese? How did you say?
Rwandese.
Yeah.
Gwino Turki.
Ngwino
Ngwino
turi,
turi.
eh.
Okay, in my language we say moje tulie. If I'm calling many, I say moje. If I'm calling only you, I say jangu.
Jangu Turki.
Yeah.
Kinyarwanda.
So you speak Swahili also?
Yeah.
How many languages do you speak?
How many? I think
Lingala?
four languages.
No man, it's more than that. Lingala,
Lingala,
Kiswahili, French, English, Kinyarwanda.
Kinyarwanda.
Six.
Hey.
Man, that's wow.
Because Mashi is a language of
Your
my OG.
local language,
Local
like
language.
very local, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man.
The language of my grandparents. Yeah.
Okay. Open.
Do you have opener?
Yeah, I don't.
You don't have.
welcome.
Anyway,
Appetit.
yeah, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Enjoy your meal in English.
Ah, okay. Enjoy your meal. Bon appetit. In Rwanda, they say appetit.
Yeah. Just
Yes. You're now all welcome to our lunch.
Yes.
now lunch with a long lost brother.
Enjoy our meals, brothers and sisters.